Are your SQL Enterprise Management Unicode apps crashing due to the SQL Unirl Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for SQL Unirl library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the SQL Unirl library, the SQL Unicode Release library. It manages unmanaged localized character encoding and localized data conversion manifest between localized SQL Server clients and the database kernel, ensuring Unicode integrity in cross-platform data links. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Visual C++.NET 2002 MFC Unicode lib installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the SQL Unirl library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for SQL Unirl library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing SQL Unirl library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.